Mm.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Rahman Raihan, but you can call me Raihan because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on homophones. So